We're on the beautiful island of Jersey. Why don't you come with us on this virtual walk with fantastic views on our return journey to Plemont? Well, hello everybody, we're at Grosnez Castle and on the far northwest tip of the beautiful island of Jersey. We are going to walk back along the cliff path to Plemont. So that is today's video. The date is Wednesday, the 6th of February 2024. Hope you enjoy. Fantastic Grosnez Castle, built in the 1300s. (1330) I think it was built, which is pretty damn impressive. Over there is Plemont Racecourse, Jersey's only horse racing track. And we're now going to take the cliff path, which I have to say, Paddy and I have already done this walk in the opposite direction, and the path is pretty wet and muddy because we have had the worst weather. I mean, look at that. Not even sure if that's normally a pond, but there's a massive pond there now. That's the big pond. I can promise you there are some spectacular cliff views on the way back. I forgot to put my watch on, but I don't think it'll take us, well, it won't take us longer than an hour. I thought we had quite a long way to go, came over the brow of the hill and we were here, so it was a bit shorter than I thought it would be. Look at that! Wow! Can you see how amazing that is? Really incredible. Yeah, so there's bits of the path which are a bit waterlogged, like this bit is the worst, to be honest. And trying to get Paddy to walk around puddles is difficult. Oh, hang on, up here. Look, there's a path, Paddy. Paddy! Get out the gorse. Oh, what's he like? Oh, here we go. He's going. Paddy, slow down. Paddy. Wow. I'm walking in the gorse now. It's heather, not gorse. Got all sorts up here. This is lovely, isn't it? At Grosnez, you go down to these concrete steps to sort of, well, I don't know, there's some contraption at the end. Is it a light? But it rather reminds me of the old computer game Myst, where you walk around this deserted island and keep pulling levers and things. That sort of, it's a bit similar. Has anybody ever played Myst? I didn't get very far with it. It was way too clever for me. I think it's making a bit of a revival. Right. There, yeah, you can see it now. Look, the steps go down and they go to that little white box, which, it's got to be a lamp, isn't it? Right, Paddy, out of there. I've got my sweatshirt tied around my waist because, as usual, I got too hot too quick. And wow, look at that. Can you see in the sea some little red and yellow blobs? There's 5 canoes out there with people canoeing around. got a hankering to do that, funny enough. Alright, I'm losing my shirt. Hang on. There you go. Let's go. Oh. Wow. Now, I said there were some good views. Look at that. The bay across from here is Plemont, and there you can see the steps go up the back, and there's a building which is the cafe, and that's where we're walking to, basically. On the hill above that are the two puffins, which I can actually see. They are about there, and that's where we're walking to. So come on, let's get going. Paddy, look at that bit there. What's that mean? Almost looks like a wall, but it's not, it's natural. Is it natural? Very flat. Must be. Well done, Paddy. Look at it. We're so lucky to be having this weather today, because it has been appalling in Jersey for the last few weeks. I mentioned on the way out that Royal Jersey Golf Club has been closed several days because it's flooded, and it's a proper links course built on sand dunes, so built on sand, so figure that one out. Right, well, Paddy, concrete goes down there. Where does that go? Surely not down there. But there is a bench there that we have to go and have a look at, because the views are simply quite amazing from there. So the next walk I do, I will come and park at Grosnez and walk round to L'Attaque. And again, I've never done that. I don't know how far it is, how long it'll take, but they've all happened to be really sort of nice lengths for a walk. Just about 45, 50, maybe minutes, maybe an hour. Well, there's the people in the canoes. What a day. What a place. Really fantastic. Come on then, Pads. It's good to be alive. See how damp it is, hey? All the paths. Really damp. It's slippery. And with my recent record of falling over, probably not the best conditions. Still, I can think of worse ways to go than falling over here, banging your head. It's all done and dusted. Nice place to die, really. Don't fancy it just yet. So I'll try and stay upright. Right, around the side, Paddy. Come on, around the side. Yeah, well done. Amazingly, that's twice. Oh, nearly went. Twice he hasn't run through that puddle. It's beautiful. Oh, look at the sea coming in along there against the rocks. Gorgeous. Paddy, why do you keep looking at gorse bushes, Paddy? Hopefully he'll have dried out by the time we get back in the car. Paddy? Oh, wow, walking this way is probably even better than doing it the way we did the first time, because obviously this is all behind your back, and that is just amazing. Loving this. Absolutely. Even Paddy stopped to admire the view. What do you think, Paddy? Hear the sound of rushing water, so that is going down there somewhere. Must be a little stream heading out to the sea. Bunch of daffodils, diffidals. Easy for you to say. Daffodils. A daffodil. Sounds like a dinosaur, doesn't it? A Tyrannosaurus Rex, a daffodil.
Right, ladies and gents, seeing how I've obviously completely lost the plot, I think this is a good place to finish part 1. If you'd like to watch part 2, I'll be posting it tomorrow. Thanks so much to everybody who has subscribed, given my videos thumbs up and posted comments. It's you kind people who inspire me to keep posting, so thank you so much. Hopefully I'll see you all again soon.